Okay, find the integral of x plus 2 over 4 minus 4x minus 3x squared dx. So if we've got this integral here, x plus 2 over 4 minus 4x minus 3x squared, we've got a very, very difficult denominator here. So one thing that we can try is to factorize the denominator. So we need to be able to factorize that. So let's just write the denominator out, which is 4 minus 4x minus 3x squared. Okay, this is a little bit back to front. Normally we do that number times that number, so we do exactly the same thing for the product. 4 times minus 3, which is minus 12. We take the middle number, and we get the sum is minus 4. So we want two numbers which we multiply together, we get minus 12, and we add the same two numbers, we get minus 4. After a little trial and improvement, you might come up with minus 6 and 2. You can check these. Minus 6 times 2 will give minus 12, so that checks out okay. And then minus 6 plus 2 gives minus 4, and that checks out okay as well with the sum. So now you take the quadratic, so you've got 4, and then you split the middle term up, minus 4x into minus 6x, and plus 2x. Now it doesn't matter actually which way round you write those down. And then we've got the minus 3x squared on the end, and then we factorize by what's known as grouping. So if we group these two together, the highest common factor is a 2. So we take out a 2, and then in brackets we've got 2 minus 3x. The highest common factor here is x, so it's plus x. And then in the bracket we got x minus 3x. Notice here and here you have the same thing, so that can now come out to get 2 minus 3x, 2 plus x. Right, so my integral x plus 2 over 4 minus 4x minus 3x squared dx now becomes the integral of x plus 2 divided by my new denominator, which is 2 minus 3x, 2 plus x dx. Now, we will notice here actually that these actually cancel, so that's quite good. One cancels in once, and that cancels out. So my new integral becomes 1 over 2 minus 3x, which is actually a much easier one to work out. So this is type f dash of x over f of x. So we're going to try ln of 2 minus 3x. So if we differentiate the bracket, we get minus 3, and we put it over that in the bracket there, we get 2 minus 3x. We got minus 3 times too much, so therefore we need to put 1 over minus 3 of this, ln of 2 minus 3x, plus c, and that will give me minus 1 over 3 ln of 2 minus 3x plus c. Okay, so that's quite a difficult example, and I hope you were able to follow, and thank you very much for watching.